Zdrasте. In this video I'm gonna go through the steps I take when I'm lifting my car on jack stands. This is gonna be for 2011 and similar years Honda Pilot. I will be lifting the rear of the car, so as a safety precaution I'm gonna put the wheel chocks under the front wheels. This graphic shows the locations for the front and rear jacking brackets on this Honda Pilot. I'm going to position my floor jack under the rear jacking bracket and I will start raising it. The car is now lifted high enough for me to slide the jack stands under the side jacking points and extend them to the highest locked position. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, where the jacking point is clearly visible from this angle. It is difficult to just eyeball where the car is going to contact the jack stands, so I need to lower the car a little and reposition them a bit. Now I'm confident the jack stands are right below the side jacking points, and I'm going to lower the floor jack and move it out of the way. Before starting any work on the car, I would also try and shake the car lightly to make sure it is secure and won't fall down.